It is applied branch. It is a branch of biology which deals cultivation of plants and rearing of livestock. Now is crop. When plant of the same kind are grown and cultivated in one place in on large scale is known as crop. It is mainly classified into two types: kharif crops and rabi crops. Kharif crop. These crops are grown during the monsoon rainy season between the month of June and September and harvested at the end of monsoon season October and November. The example of these crops are maize, millet, bajra. The rabi crop which are grown during the winter season October and March and harvested at the end of winter season April May uh, are known as rabi crops. For example, wheat, gram and mustard. Next is agriculture practices. To grow a crop or to grow a plant, a farmer has to perform a various type of activities known as agriculture practices. For this, a various type of tools required known as agriculture implements. Farmer from agriculture practices in a sequence. So various agriculture practices are as follows: preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation, protection from weed, harvesting, and last is storage. Implements used for traditional ways of irrigation, that is moat, dhakli, rahat, chain pump, and motor pumps. Basic practices of crop production. First is preparation of soil. Before sowing of the crop seeds, the soil of field is loosened or turned. This process is known as plowing or tilling. Friends, plowing causes ventilation of soil and makes it suitable for growth of small organisms living in it. Next is plow. It is a very common tool used in agriculture. It has one or more blades fixed in a frame used to turn over cut furrows in soil. It's called plow. It can be only of wood and iron only. Now we will discuss hoe. It is a tool which is used for removing weeds and for loosening of soil. Now cultivator. It is usually used in nowadays in the field by farmer. It is driven by a tractor driven a cultivator. The use of cultivator saves labor and time. Now sowing of seed. For sowing of seeds, a farmer obtains seeds certified by State Agriculture Department or Seed Corporation. Sometimes farmer also select seeds from their own crop. For this, they select. For this, first they put seeds in the bucket of water. Then the seeds which are float on water are rejected. These seeds are defective. The seeds which remain submerged in water are selected for sowing, as these seeds are good. Selected seeds are treated with the chemicals such as arbosan and sericin. This chemical treatment protects seedling from seed-borne disease. Seeds are either by hand, either sown by hand, process known as broadcasting, or by seed drills. Now we will discuss adding manure. Like other plants, crop plants also obtain their mineral nutrients from the soil. Continuous growing of crop in the field causing deficiency of minerals, nutrients in the soil. So the manure is added to the soil to make up the deficiency of mineral nutrients. This process is called manuring. Manure is prepared from cow dung, urine, and other wastes. Sometimes soil becomes deficient in particular nutrients. This happens when same type of crops are grown in the same field year after year. For example, a particular crop takes more phosphate. This crop is grown in the field every year. The soil will become deficient in phosphorus nutrient. This type of deficiency of particular nutrients made up of adding chemical substances called fertilizers. For example, urea, superphosphate and NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Now we will discuss irrigation. The supply of water to crops at different intervals is called irrigation. The time and frequency of irrigation varies from crop to crop, soil to soil and season to season. Traditional methods of irrigation are as follows: moat, chain pump, Dhakli, Rahat, and now these modern methods are drip irrigation and sprinkler system. Now we will discuss protection from weeds. Weeds are unwanted plant in the field. These are spread through agencies like air, bird, and other animals. Weeds share water, sunlight, waste nutrients with crop plants. Thus, they compete with the crop plant. The removal of their weeds is necessary. Otherwise, crop plant do not get sufficient space, water, sunlight, and nutrient to grow healthier. Weeds are weeded out either by hands or with the help of an implement called harrow. Nowadays, for checking the growth of weeds, certain chemicals are used. These chemicals are known as weedicides, such as 2,4-D. Now, harvesting and threshing. When crops pet manure, they usually turn yellow, gold, or brown. A cutting of crops are known as harvesting. Harvesting is done by manually by a sickle or by a machine called harvester. Uh, Harvested crop is further dried and then animals such as bullocks, buffaloes, camels are made to walk over it. The grains are separated from chaff with the help of wind. This process is known as winnowing. The whole process of separation of grains from the harvested crop is known as threshing. Now, storage of crops. Grain obtained by threshing are dried in the open. The dried grains are stored in gunny bags and placed properly in ventilated cemented halls, as all we know that are known as godowns. Farmer keep dried grain in jute bags or metallic bins or mud bins. Large scale storage of grains is done in silos and granaries. For storing large quantity of grains in big godowns, specific chemical treatment are used to protect them from pests and microorganisms. Now, friends, as we all know, we get food from animals also. So, providing the animals with the proper food, shelter, and care on a large scale is known as animal husbandry. So, thank you, friends. I hope आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी. Please like, share, and subscribe our videos so that you can get more information.